may be wanting to start a Kanban in your pull system. Like any other system, a pull system, especially one that uses Kanban, needs to have basic guidelines or rules to follow. In this module, we will outline 6 simple guidelines that should be followed in pull systems when using Kanbans. Policies or rules should be accessible to everyone, and everyone should understand them very well. With regards to a pull system that uses Kanban, the guidelines are actually quite simple. The first rule is that downstream processes should only request or withdraw what is needed from upstream processes. They should not deviate from this flow. The second rule reminds us that upstream processes should only produce what has demand for necessary replenishment. They should not produce inventory. Next, you must make sure that processes are leveled to match demand. Another very important guideline is that no process should ever send, receive, or make a defect. Also, Kanban should always accompany the flow of products and/or information. And finally, Kanban should only be used for actual demand. Over time, the Kanban should change with the demand. As Kanbans are lowered or removed, you will see more opportunities to improve. And that's it. 6 very simple guidelines to follow when using Kanban that will help you get this system started in a pull system. We'll see you in the next module.